Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into a report from Capricor Therapeutics. It involves medicine, government approvals, and maybe some hope for people dealing with a really tough disease, but whether that hope turns into reality is what we are here to find out. Capricor just announced that the US Food and Drug Administration, or FDA, has accepted their application for a treatment called deramyocel. This treatment is aimed at helping patients with Duchenne muscular dystrophy cardiomyopathy, which is a heart problem related to Duchenne muscular dystrophy, a genetic disorder that causes muscle weakness. And here's a big deal, the FDA is giving this application a priority review. That means they're going to decide faster than usual because this medicine could really help people. The FDA has set a deadline of August 31 of this year to make their decision. This deadline is part of something called the Prescription Drug User Fee Act, which basically means the company pays fees to help the FDA review the application more quickly. The company included a copy of the press release about this announcement as part of their filing. This means the company is officially sharing this information with investors. Just a quick note on legal stuff, the company wants everyone to know that this announcement is just being shared, and it doesn't mean they're liable or legally responsible for anything related to it, unless they specifically say so in another official filing. Now let's back up a little and talk about the company itself. Capricor Therapeutics is a company that works on developing treatments for different diseases. Their stock, the thing people buy and sell on the stock market, is listed on the Nasdaq Capital Market under the symbol CAPR. Now, what does all of this mean? Well, it's a mix of good and uncertain news for Capricor and for people who might benefit from their treatment. Here's the good stuff. The FDA is taking this seriously. Getting a priority review is a big win. It means the FDA sees the potential of this treatment and is going to make a decision relatively quickly. If the FDA approves deramyocel, it could be a major breakthrough for people with Duchenne muscular dystrophy cardiomyopathy. There aren't many treatments specifically for this condition. Now, the uncertainties and potential downsides, the FDA might not approve it. Even with priority review, there's no guarantee. The FDA could decide that the treatment isn't safe or effective enough. Even if it's approved, there's the question of how well it will work in real life. Clinical trials, which are medical research studies, can be different from how a treatment works in a larger population. There's also the question of cost and access. New treatments, especially cell therapies like this one, can be very expensive. It's not clear how much deramyocel would cost and whether insurance companies would cover it. Let's talk about some financial information on Capricor. Unfortunately, this report doesn't include any major financial data. It's focused on the regulatory announcement about the FDA review. That being said, these regulatory announcements have a big impact on the company's value. What do I think about Capricor's current situation? Well, on one hand, getting priority review from the FDA is a fantastic sign. It shows that the FDA believes this treatment has potential and it gets them closer to actually getting their product approved. If deramyocel works, and if it's priced reasonably, and if it's covered by insurance, it could make a real difference for people with this form of muscular dystrophy. On the other hand, there's a lot that still needs to happen. The FDA could still say no, and even if they say yes, it's not a guaranteed success. Plus, new treatments can be expensive, which can limit who can actually get them. So here's my take. Capricor is taking a big swing. They are trying really hard, but there are some regulatory concerns. It's definitely a company to watch this year, especially as we get closer to that August FDA decision. If you are thinking of investing in Capricor, make sure you understand the risks and do your own research. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and it lets me know what kind of content you want to see more of. Until next time,